Hey my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today's video is a video with Riri hair. Guys, I love their curly hair, and you guys loved it as well when I featured it on my Instagram. So I'm going to show you how I installed it and the hair and all that jazz. All the details on the type of curl is going to be in the description down below. But as you guys can see, I got a beautiful box with the wig, a wig cap and the brush. The wig obviously came in a hairnet just to keep the curls nice and tight. It comes with this bra strap looking hook and I like it. I like the idea of it. It would just keep the wig in place. As you guys can see, the hairline is pre-plucked, so that's a really good thing. I just went ahead, I didn't even bleach the knots, coming to think of it. I just put some makeup on there and it was Gucci. So now I'm grabbing this Motions light hold spritz. What my stylist is, she's just doing that to just keep my baby hairs in place, so just to move that back a little bit, and she's just drying it with a hairdryer. Now that we've done that, she's now putting the wig onto my head, and guys, yeah, look at how cute that looks. It looks really good. I love the curls. It's not like a water wave. I mean, if you want a water wave texture, all you have to do is wet it. When dried, it's actually really curly as opposed to wavy, and I like that. She grabs some mousse and then she puts that onto the hair to make it easier to pluck. She uses a mousse as opposed to water to pluck, and she plucks it with it on my hair so that she can really see what she's doing and that she really imitates my hairline. And as you guys can see, it's not all about plucking the actual hairline, it's about separating the hair and going in there so that it really imitates a natural hairline, because no hairline is thin at the front and then thick after a line. So now she asked me obviously where I wanted my parting, or if I wanted a parting at all, and I did. I wanted a side part. So now that she's defined that, she's just going to tie the hairline down, and then we're just gonna leave that to dry a little bit. We're gonna use a blow dryer to dry that off. So this is actually a no adhesive method. So what she did, by tying my hair down, it dries onto my forehead if that makes sense. So the lotion dries onto my forehead and it gets sticky, and it just sticks on there naturally. Guys, look how good that looks. That looks really cute, right? Yes. So now that that's stuck on there, she's now gonna go ahead and define my parting a little bit more because it disappeared. And then we're just gonna go ahead and cut off that excess lace. But before cutting the lace, just because we wanted to make that parting as defined as possible, she's just going to use that light hold spritz and just spray that down. And then once that's sprayed and everything's in place, she's going to go in with a hot comb, a straightening hot comb, and then just, you know, go over that a little bit more. Can you guys see? Oh, honestly guys, I didn't have one of those, but after she used it, I had to go buy it, especially for straight hair. It is amazing. So she goes in and oh yes, oh, I really love this wig, I do. But anyway, now that she's done that, we're gonna go ahead and cut it. And as you guys can see, we didn't use glue or anything, and at the end I'm gonna show you how easy it is to lift the wig. And yeah, she starts cutting on the middle or the side, and then starts to trim away. She doesn't start from the end, she starts directly in the middle. So because I love baby hair when wearing curly hair, she's just gonna create some for me. So she's literally taking a little bit from the hairline of the wig, and then she's just gonna trim that off. Then using a little bit of that light holding spray later on, she's just gonna, ooh, look how cute it looks up as well, guys. In love. And then later on she's just gonna like stick that down using the light hold spray. Here we're going to set the hair one more time so that it sticks down properly using that wrapping lotion. But before we do that, she's just going to go in with some powder and put that onto the lace on my hair, whilst it's on my hair. I've never had anyone do that before, but this method actually works because it looks good and it blends even better. And now she's just gonna take that little baby hair. I don't really like the over exaggerated baby hair look, so she's just using a little bit of the baby hair and then, ooh, cute, and then giving me that cute little swoop. Because I like the hair in its natural dry state, I wanted to show you guys what it looks like wet, and this is what it looks like wet. It looks so cute, and the volume is still there, which is why I live, and I'm smiling now, so clearly I'm happy and I love it. But yeah, this is when everything has set, and as you guys can see, the sides of my hair is down. Before it was lifting, but it's all down, and she is litty. I thank God for my stylist. She's amazing. Yeah. Look how good that looks, and then boop, just like that, baby, we're able to lift it up. And then this is just me with some makeup on because I looked a little bit ghostly before. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and please do subscribe, like this video, comment down below. Love you guys. Bye.